We are a community that aims to empower creative brands that help us to drive live. Our app will be available in coming weeks where you can drive live on music, art, yoga, photography, and much more. And also, today we are lucky to have Nadira among us, who will drive live on Mandala. She is self-taught mandala artist. She just loves exploring different style too, but mandala gives an expert in other art form like doodling, water painting, and much more. And also, I have an exciting announcement for you all. After the end of the session, I will request you all to take picture of your mandalas and share with us tagging Innerdot and also use hashtag Innerdots app. We'll feature you all in our story. Now, let me hand over to Nadira. Over to you, Nadira.
You're on mute.
Okay, okay,
Hey, Nadira, you there?
okay. Yeah, yeah. Am I audible now? Okay. Okay, so thank you, Diksha, for the short introduction, and thank you, Inadot, for giving me this opportunity. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me. I'm Nadia Khan, and I am a mandala artist from Bhilai. Okay, so let me tell you something about my art journey. So basically, I was never into art before. I suddenly started it and I suddenly started drawing mandala, and I got better day by day. So I decided to start my own page, and yes, here I am. If you want to ask anything, you feel free to ask me. Anyone, any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, if anyone have any question, any query, they can unmute yourself and you can ask. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have
Yes,
also
ma'am.
shared like the invitation with one of my friends. She has also
Sorry,
registered, but
you're not
now
audible.
am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have shared the invitation with one of my friends.
Yes. Yeah, you can add. You can share that link with your friend.
So it is showing that the meeting is full.
Hello.
Yeah.
I wanted to confirm what all materials do we need to carry right now?
Okay. Nadira, you are not audible.
She's on mute.
Yeah.
now am I? Okay.
Yeah. Now you're audible.
I will show you all the materials. Okay. So first, what we need is a watercolor sheet. Okay. Second is a washi tape or any masking tape you can use. Okay. Third one is a paintbrush. You can use a flat or round, whichever you want. Okay. Next is some watercolor. It's depend on you which medium you want to use. Some water, and yes, liner. This is from a Brewster. Okay. If you don't have any fine liner, you can go with a simple black pen. Okay. And yes, ruler, pencil, protector. and comment.
Permanent
That's
marker
it.
can work.
Sorry?
A permanent marker can work.
Yeah, it can work.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
can we
let's get
use
started.
pen?
Sorry.
Can we
Your
use
voice is
stick
not clear.
pen?
Yeah, you can use
I'm
pen
still not
also.
Ma'am, is it
getting
clear
you.
now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say.
Can we use stick pens?
Ma'am,
Yeah, you can.
ma'am, will you mail the recorded session?
Yeah, sure.
Sorry?
I'll mail you.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
also
Thank you.
I'll upload it on YouTube. Okay?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Okay. So what I have done here is I have taken a watercolor sheet and I taped it on a flat diary. Or you can use any diary or any flat surface to tape it. Okay. See, we have to make mandala. So we will go with warm color shade for the background. You can go with any color combination like yellow, orange, pink, blue, yellow, pink, anything. Okay. It's totally depend on you. So first I'm just applying some water on my base.
Yeah, I'll share
Hello,
with
ma'am.
you. Yeah.
So you have mentioned that we can use acrylic paint too. Shall we continue that?
Sorry, you are not clear.
Can I use acrylic paint?
Yeah.
Acrylic paint. Yeah.
Yeah, you can. Any medium. Okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can you please post your YouTube channel link in the chat box, please?
Sure. I'll share with you. Don't worry.
Yes.
Okay.
At the end
So
of the session,
today
I'll definitely share with you all. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so today I'm going with the yellow and pink shade. Okay. So what we will do is we will start from a bottom. First I'm taking yellow color and I will apply it like this in a slant manner. On half my way I will paint yellow and on other half I will paint pink. And yes, don't forget to first
Ma'am, your
brush your.
screen is not fully visible.
Now is it visible?
Ma'am, it's visible but not fully.
Okay, Diksha, can you please guide me?
Yeah, it's visible. Actually,
It's blurred.
you can pin her screen to main screen.
Yeah. Okay, so next I will take pink color.
Actually, the sheet is not properly visible. It's coming the halfway. Can you please shift this sheet little left? Please shift your, little left.
Is this okay?
Little bit more. और थोड़ा सा. Yeah, a little bit more. थोड़ा सा
Now?
और नादिरा. Yeah. Yeah, right.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what you applied before yellow color?
Water, plain water. Nothing else. Okay. Now I am using pink shade. You can use any pink shade, okay? Just blend it perfectly. Like this. Okay, now you have to take a clean brush to blend both the color perfectly in the center.
Can we use more than 2-3 colors?
Yeah, it's totally depend on you. Okay. So I think I am done with my sheet. But use only warm light color, okay? So that your mandala will highlight in that. Okay, so I am done with this.
Ma'am, wait for a minute now. We are like back of you.
Okay,
Okay.
but we don't have much time.
Only a minute.
Okay, we'll give
no
you
problem.
1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, no problem. क्या अभी किसी ने कोई है
Thank
जो
you.
अभी तक कंप्लीट कर लिया है अभी तक? So you can show me.
गाइस आप साथ में शो भी कर सकते हैं नादिरा को. She will guide you.
Ma'am, sorry for interrupting.
Sorry.
I have a doubt. Can you say once again how have you painted the paper? Because I was not able to hear you properly. Can you please say it once again?
Sorry, can you repeat it?
Yeah. Can you? Ma'am, shall I?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, say.
Ma'am, can you please say once again how have you painted the paper? Because I was not audible that time.
Okay. So first you have to tape your sheet, okay, like this. And first you have to simply brush your sheet with a plain water, okay. Then you have to apply paint from downward to upwards from in the halfway, like yellow what I have done, okay. Then upward to midway you have to paint. You have to paint pink. Then you have to take a plain brush without any color and just blend it so that it will give a good texture, like you can see here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
And yes, we have to wait to dry up, and once it will dry, it will look something like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I have already painted this sheet. And for quick dry, you can use any dryer or just wait to let it dry normally. Okay, so can we start?
No, ma'am. Wait.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, we'll give you 1 more minute, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If anyone has done, they can show you.
Ma'am, if we don't have pink, so what we have to do?
Ma'am, it is looking like this.
Orange.
Yeah,
Okay, blue and orange
also
here.
looks good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Ma'am, are you painting
can
watercolor or poster?
You can go for pink and blue also.
Ma'am, with yellow.
With yellow, you can go with pink or orange.
Ma'am, can we use orange with yellow?
Yeah, sure, you can.
Any shade you can use, guys. Any shade.
Yeah, any shade. But try to use warm color. Okay? I mean light shade color.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, are you using poster color?
Sorry?
Yeah, she is
Ma'am,
using
what type
watercolor.
of? Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I
thank you.
use poster color.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I think we should go back and start again. Okay?
Ma'am, I'm using
Anyone who
watercolors.
want to show your work till now?
Yeah, someone has shown.
Ma'am,
Blue and orange shade.
And yellow
Okay,
and
nice, nice,
pink, right? Nice.
nice. Okay.
Yellow and
Okay, so let's
pink, okay?
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am,
But try to
Wow,
blend your
great.
colors. In the middle, try to blend your colors, okay?
Ma'am, I'm using watercolors. Is it
Yeah,
okay?
nice, nice. Okay, okay, nice, nice, very nice.
ma'am.
Okay, so let's start, okay? First, I will divide the sheet into 4 parts to find the center of my sheet, okay? See if see if your sheets are wet, then you can go for a plain paper and draw it with a black pen, okay? Because I can't wait for too long now. I don't have that much time.
Yeah, after that they can again
Yeah,
draw it on
yeah,
that colored paper, right?
yeah, they can.
Yeah, guys, you can take a white sheet and you can start drawing.
Ma'am, we can't see the full screen, like full sheet of yours. Only half
Okay.
sheet I can see.
Nadira,
Okay, let me.
yeah, now it is visible completely. Now
Okay,
it's okay, Nadira. Yeah.
okay, okay. Okay. So what we have to do is हम अपने लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ का मिड पॉइंट ले लेंगे ताकि हमें सेंटर मिले परफेक्ट ओके सो जो मेरी लेंथ है वो 18 पॉइंट समथिंग है 18.5 है देन आई विल टेक इट एज 9.2 हाफ ओके एंड सेम वे ब्रेथ मेरी 12.5 है देन आई विल गो फॉर 6.2 ओके Then what we will do is we will divide it into 4 parts.
Nadira, it's getting
Draw
blurred.
with a light hand.
It's not clear, Nadira.
Okay. Blur. Is it clear now?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, now you can start.
It
Yeah.
is visible, but
now
your screen is blurred.
little bit blurred.
Exactly.
Yeah. Now it is visible, Nadira. You can continue.
Okay, okay. Okay. So you have to divide your page into 4 parts with pencil. Okay? And with a light hand. Then next I am going to take my protector and keep it on the center to make a grid. Okay. So I will mark at every 10 degree. I repeat 10 degree, okay? Like this.
Ma'am, how to find the center?
I told now, first you have to measure your length, then breadth, then join your 4 points, you will get the center. Okay? Now on the other half,
can you
do
please
same.
explain again? Your voice was cracking.
Okay. So first I have to measure the length of my sheet. Okay. Then
Okay, ma'am.
breadth of my sheet and find the midpoint. Same from 4 sides. Okay. Then we will join the breadth point and length point. Like this. Breadth and length. Here I got my center. Okay. Now on the other half, I will mark same 10 degree. angle to make a perfect grid. See, if you want to make your mandala look perfect, you have to make your grid very perfectly. And this is the way. Okay. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to join this dot through the center with ruler like this. Let me show you. In the same way, I will join all the dots passing through the center.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Okay. So we have marked the 10-degree angle on both of my circle. Okay, half. Now I will join this dot to this dot, which will pass through my center. Okay, like this. Now moving ahead, second dot with second one, passing through the center of the circle. Likewise, we have to join all the dots.
Yashini, yeah, we'll upload the same video in YouTube. Okay, don't worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Nadira, if possible, please zoom your video. Someone
Okay.
has asked that it is not visible. Yeah.
Now, is it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's perfect.
And see अगर आप पेंसिल से ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो आप लाइटली ड्रॉ करें ताकि बाद में आप इजीली उसको इरेज कर सकें. मैं थोड़ा डार्क ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को अच्छे से विजिबल हो.
Nadira, again it is getting blurred.
Okay. I don't know why it's happening. Maybe due to network problem or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, sorry for the technical glitch. Due to some network issue, maybe sometimes it's get blurred.
Okay, so mandala making is a very slow process, okay? And I want you all to enjoy it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for this mandala art, which pens are best?
You can use any pen, but fine liner works best. Okay. Like I am using Bruce Stroke fine liner. You can go for Micron and Uniball. It comes in many varieties.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
A few people have questioned whether to use watercolor, poster color. Guys, you can use any watercolor, poster color, acrylic paint, anything you can use.
Any medium will work. Okay. So the next process is what we have to do is okay.
I can re-explain.
Okay, moving ahead. Okay. Now first what we have to do is we have to take a radius of 1 centimeter. Okay. Come to the center. And I will draw a circle. See, if you are a beginner, I will suggest you to go with a pencil. Okay? Okay. Now, I will take a radius of 1.8 centimeter to draw another circle.
Ma'am, the first radius of how many centimeters did you take?
1 centimeter.
Ma'am, your video is not clear.
Is it clear now?
Ma'am, after 1 centimeter radius, which radius we have to take?
I have taken 1.8 centimeter. Okay?
Ma'am, after 1.8?
Okay. After 1.8, we will go for 2.5 centimeter.
Ma'am, after 1.8, what? Can you repeat?
2.5. 2.5. Okay?
तो wait, थोड़ा और लूज करना.
Okay. So next step what we will do is हमने जो भी 3 सर्कल्स बनाए हैं उसके जस्ट पास में ही हम एक आउटलाइन जैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे तीनों सर्कल के पास. Like this.
Nadira, can you please repeat once again what you said?
Okay. जो हमने 3 सर्कल बनाए हैं उसके जस्ट लिटिल
Ma'am,
0.2 centimeter.
ma'am, the
Okay?
second radius, how many centimeters?
1.8
It's
centimeter.
1.8. Like मैंने अपने फर्स्ट सर्कल के बाहर एक आउटलाइन दी है. ओके सेम मैं अपने सेकंड सर्कल के बाहर एक आउटलाइन दूंगी.
Ma'am, can I speak in English?
Same I will give a outline outside my second circle. Okay.
Nadira, someone is asking the, I guess, brand name of your compass.
Okay. Okay, so this is from a Maped brand. Okay. And if you have any questions regarding my materials, you can DM me. If I am not possible to answer here. Okay.
Guys, also will share every detail in description. Okay. So don't worry.
Ma'am, this circle you draw it by which pen?
This is from a Brusto pen, Brusto fine liner. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please drop your Insta ID in the chat box?
Sure, I
Yeah.
will. See, it's normal to rotate your sheet, na? Okay.
Our Insta handle is Pursuit of Happiness. Okay. I have also mentioned in chat.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So till now, I had made 6 circles.
Ma'am, the circle which you have drawn around that first circle, how much should be the radius for that?
0.2 centimeter.
Ma'am, third circle, how much is the radius?
You have to increase every 0.2 centimeter to draw the outline of your first 3 circles. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So till now I have made 6 circles.
Miss, can you show close-up of the circles?
Sorry?
Close-up of
Miss,
your
can you
circles.
show the close-up of the circles?
Okay. See.
Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible. So beautiful it looks.
Thank you. Okay, so next what we have to do is so in innermost circle, I will be making a small circle and making a water droplet look. Let me show you, okay? And we will fill the remaining part. Let me show
Yeah,
you
you can
all
use
in a
Megha
blank
pen for
paper.
to draw circle.
Okay, let me show you all in a blank paper. So this is my circle. Okay. What I have done is a small circle and a water droplet look like this. And rest I will fill the negative area. Okay. Let me complete and show you.
Ma'am, you are doing very well explanation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
And guys, you can also show your work.
Yeah, I will be happy to see your all work. Okay.
Ma'am, actually, we will share after your class because we are like backward. That is why.
Okay,
No issue. Don't forget to share. Okay.
Sure,
Tag
ma'am, sure.
InnerDots. Use hashtag InnerDot app will definitely feature you all on our studio. Okay.
Ma'am, what hashtag in the dot?
Hashtag InnerDots app. Don't worry, I'll share with you at the end. Okay.
Yes,
On the
ma'am.
first
Ma'am,
the
if we are
circle you just
using
said black.
One by one, guys.
Ma'am, if we are using acrylic colors, so we can erase afterwards, like we have to erase these pencils work now. So
Yeah,
can
yeah.
we erase after the acrylic color also?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
See, okay. For the
Nadira,
inner
it looks
center, I
so
have done this.
beautiful.
Thank you, Diksha. Okay, moving ahead.
Can you just say the radius of second circle after 1.8?
1.8. 2.5.
Okay.
Okay. So now.
1 second, please.
Okay. Now going to the next circle, we will be drawing inverted U. Now I am using 0.2 fine liner to draw this. Okay.
Nadira, someone has asked which paper you are using.
Okay. This is a watercolor sheet from Brustro, which is 300 GSM. It's something like this. Okay. Any size. Okay. So this is A5 size. You can go for A4 size or any size. But this is super good for a watercolor. Okay, moving ahead. Now what I will draw is inverted U. Let me zoom it more. Okay. So what you have to do is we have to make each inverted U between these two lines or in a box. Okay.
Ma'am, for the second part, what are you doing?
Let me show you. I'm making inverted U.
Wait. Ma'am, can you move your hand for a second? I'm not able to see. Like just lines a few.
No, it's not line, it's inverted U.
Oh, okay.
See, let me show you here.
It's like flower petals.
Yeah.
Yeah, Niket will upload. Don't worry. I'll share everything. Like videos, like radius, everything I'll share. On YouTube.
Ma'am, the watercolor sheet you're using, I also have.
Sorry, can you ask again?
I guess she is asking which watercolor you are using.
I use poster colors.
बंद करो क्या कर रहा हो
Hope everyone is enjoying the session.
Yes, ma'am. Very much.
Yes, ma'am. Too much. It's very good. Thank you, ma'am.
So likewise, हम पूरे सर्कल में ये सेम इन्वर्टेड यू ड्रॉ करेंगे.
Nadira, someone is asking the cost of one sheet.
Sheets comes like this, okay? You can't
How many sheets
purchase
are there?
a single sheet. It's of 396 rupees, okay?
How many
And
sheets
it
are there,
has
Nadira, in this?
20 to 25 sheets.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Hope this information will help you guys.
1 second.
Miss, can you show the close-up of whatever you have done till now?
Yeah, sure. Just give me 2 minutes.
Once
okay?
she will complete, yeah. Once she will complete, she will show you.
Ma'am, the third circle, how many like radius is it?
2.5.
2.5. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I use any other sheet?
One by
What
one,
are-
guys.
Do we need to fill the negative spaces in this? The petal part?
Yeah. Okay, so after drawing this inverted U or petal, you have to fill this negative area. Let me do halfway and I will show you, okay?
Ma'am, after 2.5, how much radius we have to take?
After 2.5,
0.2.
I will tell you. Okay?
I guess 0.2 you have taken, right, Nadira? That small section?
Yeah, for the outline. Yeah, for the outline.
And someone has asked Nadira that I have started my own art channel on Instagram. Give some tips. Tanisha,
Okay.
she has asked.
Okay, I will give you after once I am done with this, okay?
Ma'am, can I use any other sheet because I'm not having watercolor sheet?
Yes, you can use any sheet. Like this, you can even use this. Okay, this is a printout paper, okay? You can go for
Ma'am?
this also. Or a drawing sheet. It totally depend on you.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, for background, which
Yeah.
color you use?
I use poster color.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
Wow,
present
wow,
you?
so beautiful. It looks so beautiful, Hiral.
Ma'am, is it visible mine drawing?
Yeah, it's visible. And it's very beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very beautiful, very beautiful. Okay. So see, I have filled all my negative area. Okay. Oops. Diksha, give me 2 minutes now. Okay, क्योंकि power cut हो गया है.
Yeah, sure.
Give me 2 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Sure. No issue. Guys, you all are doing so well. For any query, you can connect with me, okay, at InnoDots, or you can also connect with Nadira at Pursuit of Happiness.
Miss, can you show the close-up for Miss, you are
Oh, Prachi, it looks so beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, Diksha,
I
ma'am.
will mention every detail about, us.
Ma'am, can you update the next workshop because we can order the online material because all stationery are closed just now, na? So we can order from the online website. So if it's update now from the next whichever is the next workshop. So any material that we require, so we can order it.
Sure, definitely I'll update everything. Okay.
Okay.
Just
thank
stay
you so
connected
much,
with us.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Mayuri will update. Okay, we'll upload this video on YouTube, and I'll also mention every detail of this session in description.
Ma'am, what is your channel name?
InnoDots.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
Okay. Diksha,
Sonu ma'am ne.
Is it all visible?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. So moving ahead, inside of this inverted U, we will be making a small straight line and a dot. Okay. Let me show you first. A small straight line and a dot.
Ma'am, your screen is blur. It's not visible.
Ma'am, your screen is blurred again.
Ma'am, can you show a close-up of what you have done till now?
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Much better.
Okay. Likewise, हमें पूरे अपने petals में straight line and a dot. We have to do that.
It looks so amazing. Great doing, Nadira.
Can you show a close-up of
Sure.
the detailing you did? Okay.
Okay.
It looks so beautiful.
Thank you.
Ma'am, when your next workshop of mandala will coming?
Soon, Diksha will tell you.
We'll
okay?
update you.
Yeah.
We'll update you. Don't worry. Stay connected. We'll update you.
Ma'am, can you give a close-up on the details?
Sure.
Ma'am, you added a few lines afterwards.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can I present mine?
Sure.
Wow.
I would love to see that.
Hiral.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's beautiful. You are doing very well.
Thank you, ma'am. It's just because of you. You are teaching so well.
Thank you. Okay, so moving ahead, what I will do is I will draw a small circle inside between these two lines, okay? Or you can say between one box. Let me show you.
Ma'am, it's coming
Ma'am,
blurred.
please show it's again blur.
Okay, first let me draw and then I will show you.
The fourth circle, how many radius?
After third circle, she has taken 0.2.
Ma'am, which pen are you using right now?
I'm using Brewster pen 0.6 mm. Okay? Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible, Nadira.
Okay.
Ma'am, kindly repeat.
It's a Brewster fine liner 0.6 mm.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, so see what I have done is I have drawn a small circle between each box, okay? And we will fill all the negative area.
Yeah, Joey,
Don't rush.
Will update you everything, okay? Don't worry.
Don't just go slow, okay?
Ma'am, when you done this background color, so you add any water into the color or directly we have to apply on a sheet?
Yes, we have to add water. But it's
Okay.
depend on your medium also, na, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So like this, we have to fill all the negative area.
After filling up the third circle, do we do any other design after the third circle?
Yes, we will do. I will tell you.
Okay.